Hey everybody, welcome back to PhotoRec.tv. I'm Toby, and I'm about to do one of my very favorite things on this channel, and that's to be involved in a giveaway so big, so epic, that it really may just change your life. Life-changing. I actually have proof of this that I'm going to share with you a little bit later in this video, but first, I want to tell you that I've partnered with some of the best in the industry, and we have put together a Mongolia photography workshop with additional prizes worth over $10,000. Did you think I was just going to say 10? No, it's $10,000. The link to enter is below, or you can just click on this QR code floating around somewhere on the screen, or visit photorec.tv/win to enter. Now, the highlight of the giveaway is, of course, a 10-day workshop experience in Mongolia with McKay Photography Academy and Nomadic Tours of Asia. I'm often asked about my favorite destination. Over the last decade, I have gotten to travel. I have been able to travel to so many places and feel very lucky. And my experiences in Mongolia is right at the very top of that list. Spending time with eagle hunters in Western Mongolia is an incredibly unique experience. And now with multiple tours, David of McKay Photography Academy and Oso, who runs Nomadic Tours Asia, they have these connections and they've built these friendships that provide truly a special level of access and interaction that you just don't see elsewhere. And that's just part of this 10-day experience where all of your accommodations and your airfare to Mongolia is included. And I just want to say that this is open to photographers of all levels. Let's talk about those additional prizes and sponsors, including the Spider Camera Holster Belt System. I really dislike, maybe even say hate, camera straps. Hate's a strong word, but I really dislike camera straps. And Spider Holster gives you an alternative way to carry your camera without dealing with straps, and I absolutely love their belt system that they're including. Think Tank is throwing in their Rotation 50-liter bag. I actually have a version of this bag and love the innovative rotating belt for easy access to your camera gear. It is a fantastic, well-built bag with tons of room for your gear and extras as well. FLM is throwing in the CP30 S4 II carbon fiber tripod. I recently reviewed that. I truly believe the CP30 S4 II is the best travel-friendly tripod on the market. It provides real height and stability and still remains travel-friendly. It's just fantastic. Bay Photo is contributing a $500 gift card. This is one of the best print labs in the nation. Incredible quality, a huge variety of print media, awesome customer service and support. With $500, you could splurge and get a ginormous print for your wall from this workshop or some other picture you've made, or just print a whole wall full of family memories. It's up to you. It's your money once you win. B&H is including another $500 gift card. B&H Photo is my #1 destination and recommendation for people when they want to purchase large photography and computer gear. They've got a huge selection, great prices with fast shipping. If you're watching this and you've never heard of B&H Photo, maybe you should stop watching. You're not our target market. All right, I'm kidding. Am I? But seriously, they are great and they do ship internationally. And finally, you get a 1-year subscription to the Photo Enthusiast Network. This is the best photo community on the planet. It is a friendly group of people, a huge library of training videos and articles on photography, everything from capturing to editing to running a photography business. And I am a little biased because I'm one of several pro photographers that founded Penn and regularly contribute to the content there. But really, it is the community that makes it so special. I love them. Thank you all for being so awesome. No matter where you are in the trajectory of life and photography, a trip like this can truly be life-changing. And I thought it would be nice to hear from some real people, some past winners of some of these giveaways that I've been part of.
Hi, I'm Rochelle, and I won the 2016 McKay Photography Workshop trip to Yosemite. And not only was that just such a beautiful place to get to go, but they taught me how to properly use my camera, which really fueled my passion for travel and photography way beyond that trip. And I'm just so grateful I got to be there with everyone, and they're an awesome team over there. It was an amazing experience.
Hi, I'm Becky, the incredibly blessed winner of the McKay's 2016 Tanzania Photo Safari. And I would just like to say a huge thank you to the McKays, Toby, and everyone else who made the trip of a lifetime become a reality. From amazing people to incredible wildlife, delicious food, and top-notch accommodations, Tanzania blew me away every day. Thank you guys so much.
Hi there, my name's Tim. In 2017, I won a very special competition. It was a trip to the Grand Tetons National Park and to Yellowstone. I got to photograph baby animals. It was one of the greatest experiences of my life, and I'm so glad I entered. I just want you to all know that you can win, and it can be an amazing, life-changing experience. Not only did I get to come out west, which is always a welcome change from this green yet grey, dreary Tennessee landscape that I'm used to, but it was also a trip that allowed me to make friends. Some of my people that I consider to be close friends now, I met on that trip, and I had a really, really, really wonderful time. And just enter these contests, because you never know. Thank you.
Hi, happy holidays. This is Mike Isles. I was very lucky to win the McKay Photo Academy trip of 2018, their contest. As part of that contest, I went to Alaska to photograph the aurora. I was lucky to go snowshoeing, take a dog sled ride, and photograph the aurora in minus 20-degree weather. They were all first-time events for me. I wanted to thank David and Allie McKay for providing such a fantastic trip for me. They made it fun, they made it easy, and it's something that they're well known for in all of their trips. Again, if you have a chance to enter the contest for the trip to Mongolia for this year, I know you'll have a great time if you're the winner. I want to again wish happy holidays to David and Allie McKay and the entire McKay Photo Academy and their staff. Thank you.
All right, maybe at some future date, I'm going to be reaching out to hear about your life since winning. Wouldn't that be awesome? The link to enter is below. A huge thanks to all the sponsors for making this giveaway possible. You can find links to each of those sponsors and what they're giving away right down below this video. And this contest is open worldwide, except where prohibited. I have to say that. The contest ends February 28th. We'll be picking a winner and reaching out shortly after that date. There are a few additional rules. That's linked nicely down below this video. Now, make sure you're subscribed to be notified of future updates to this giveaway. You can do that right there. That's it. Good luck. Happy New Year. Let's have a photo awesome 2023. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.